In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Supercar Collection Simulator on your PC. Now open your Google browser for the first step, and before we continue I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, quickly search up the game at Steam. Don't waste too much time over here because we are not going to buy it at Steam. We are going to download it at another website. So quickly search up the game Supercar Collection Simulator, then scroll a little bit down, and once you have done that you will find out this game at Steam is €12.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you can do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Search for the same game, Supercar Collection Simulator, then select the games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Once you have done this, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green and then select the game. After that, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €8.59 compared to the Steam price of €12.99. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!